All right, here you go, guys.
Here we have our Rube Goldberg 2018 with Nick, Charlie, Anshul, and David.
Charlie, where you at, Charlie? There it is.
2018.
Alright, we turn on the water in the shower, and the water will run through our colorful pipe, tube, whatever you want to call it, into a red cup at the end, which will trigger a pulley.
So here we have the pulley system. The water's going to enter here, knock our Thomas the Choo Choo Train action.
Yes, it will.
He's going to fall down this ramp, tear this piece of tape, which is around here, holding this weight. The weight will roll down, knock this weight off, down, which will swipe out the bottom of this.
Swiper, no swiping.
This weight will fall, which will push the door.
We'll push the door.
Twist this fan, which blows open the top layer of toilet paper, which allows the car to roll down the ramp, knock over our tower.
Anshul, what happens next? You tell me. You tell
Once
me.
it knocks over our tower, this water bottle over here is going to knock down the rest of these Jenga blocks. And then it's going to knock down the dominoes, and that's going to cause a chain reaction. We'll knock down the books. And then
With our Giancoli
Yeah,
book right here.
Bam.
right there. And then it's going to hit this American flag when it goes down,
Very
and that's
patriotic.
going to let the ball slide down these skis and hit this ball into this.
To win
Thing.
our pool game.
Yeah. Sororo, you know what it is, right? Hood Ricky Wayne the mixtape. You feel me? Yeah. First, let me hop out the.
It is all down to the final shot. Anshul and Gus versus Charlie Williams and myself. Anshul Kumar is up. If she hits the black ball in, her and Gus will be crowned the champions. Go ahead, Anshul.
Don't mess up.
Anshul, black ball is the
Anshul,
other
I'm aiming
way.
for the wrong
There it
wall.
is. And wow!
Go!
Anshul scratches.
Unbelievable.
You know what that means.
That means Charlie Williams is up, and Gus, being a billiards prodigy, will make his in no matter what. It's all down to Charlie's shot. If he doesn't make this in, Gus will win.
I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make this shot 100% of the time.
Wow! While Charlie tries to figure out this last shot, let's go upstairs and eat cookies and milk with Dr. Snake.
Very good idea.
Let's go. Let's go. Charlie's not gonna hit this one in.
Nick, I'm on your team. I gotta figure out the best shot. Let's see. While they're upstairs, I'm gonna come up with the best shot the universe has ever seen.
One eternity later.
Cookies with Dr. Snake.
Wow.
What, Charlie?
I figured out my last shot. Let's get this going.
About time. It's 2 a.m. We're on our way.
Be prepared.
All right, here we go. Rube Goldberg 2018.
Take one.
Here we go. Here we go.
What?
The shower turns on. It's
Oh man, we already have water over here.
wow, look at it go.
Oh,
we're
it's
flying.
pushing.
We're flying.
It's pushing.
We're flying.
And around the corner.
Here we
And
go.
we're out. We're out. We're going. Where did it go?
It's coming. It is coming.
Oh, I found it.
Physics in motion. Wave to the camera, Ansh.
Ooh. Here we go.
And here it goes.
Little downhill.
Wow, look at that kinetic energy.
Start the video. Yeah.
Completely made of straws, if you were wondering.
Me and Mawad, that was our job. Hey. Sorry.
Completely made of
And
straws.
we're going around the bend. Oh. Do we make it? We do.
And it goes around the bend.
We're going down. A little leakage. All good though. And we're coming out. We're coming out.
It's gonna hopefully fill up
And we have
this
water.
cup. There it goes. And this starts the pulley system.
Oh, a lot of water. We're going pretty quick.
That's a simple pulley.
Oh man.
Anshul, horizontal videos,
Heavy
please.
flow, we like that.
And
Oh,
a little more water, and it's gonna activate that pulley.
oh man. Oh.
Oh, and it goes. It turns on the fan. It hits the cups.
Oh,
It goes down the domino. Look, look, look.
Oh my God!
Here it goes,
Come on!
here it goes. Yeah!
Thank the Lord!
Dr. Snake here with the reigning champion. Charlie Williams just sunk the final shots in the Billiards championship game. I'm here to speak with him now. Charlie Williams, you just sunk the championship shot in the Billiards World Championship. What are you going to do next?
Dr. Snake, I think I'm going to spend my time the only way I know how.
And what is that, Charles?
I'm gonna go to Disney World.
By doing equilibrium practice problems in my textbook.
Truly an amazing character. That's all for me. Thank you. So how long did this project take you guys?
So the Rube Goldberg took us, we started at about 7 p.m. on the night of the...
No, 5:30.
5:30 p.m. on the night of the snowstorm. True story. And we worked till about 2 a.m. until we finally got to work. So that was probably 7 hours. Mr. Snake.
What do you guys think you deserve on this project?
I think we deserve an 18 out of 16, Dr. Snake.
That's all, folks.